Hello, and welcome to the Compliance Report Dashboard. This dashboard was built to help the public understand which individual governmental entities are missing reports in our office and at the Treasurer's office. To select a specific entity, make sure you're under the Individual Report page, and under the Select Entity dropdown, select your entity. As an example, let's click Alpine Conservation District and scroll down to the Compliance Report. We can see that they are a conservation district, they are suspended and on hold, when their fiscal year spans, and which reports they're missing. In this case, Alpine Conservation District is missing quite a few reports. Here's the auditor reports they're missing, here's the D&I report they're missing, and here are the transparency reports they're missing at the time of this recording. If you wanted to download this report as a PDF, you can click the download button right here. This will download the report to your computer, and you could email that to whoever you would like to, or for your own personal records. If you are a nonprofit, make sure you click this Include Nonprofits and State Agencies button so that you can show up on the list. For example, now we can see AAA Fair Credit Foundation. If you want to see all the entities at once, you can click the Dashboard page. And then you can filter around to get the information you want. For example, if you wanted to see all the entities that are delinquent, under Filter Status, you could click Delinquent. This now will show you all the delinquent entities in the state. You could also filter by government type. For example, let's say you wanted to see how all the cities are doing. You can click City and now see that we have 125 that are current, 20 that are delinquent, and 4 that are on hold at the time of this recording. If you're a county treasurer and you need to hold funds, you can also filter to your tax holding county. For example, let's do Beaver, and Beaver has all current. Let's switch to another one. All right, Box Elder County has a few that are on hold, and then you can see which entities that are on hold in your county. Please let us know if you have any questions on how to use this tool. Thank you.